pleasure to meet you.
Can you dance? Can you dance?
It's pretty fluffy. It's good. You should test it. Only in Finland. Can you hear it? Such a beautiful place to meditate. That was Finland, and it was more a trade show than an exhibition, to be honest. We tried to talk with a robot, but it didn't quite end up well. It was like a bit strange talking to him because it didn't work and he didn't understand. However, the last room was pretty cool. It was kind of a sound room. It looked pretty cool. We really liked it. So we liked it, and yeah, thank you, Finland.